Hello, welcome back for a little bit more picoCTF action. Today we're looking at the Password Crack 2 challenge in the General Skills category. The description reads, can you crack the password to get the flag? Download the password here, and you'll need the encrypted flag in the same directory too. So we switch over to our terminal, ls. I've already downloaded the level 2 files. Let's run python 3 level2.py. Please enter correct password for the flag. Please sub. Incorrect. Awesome. All right, clear the screen. Let's open up the level 2 password file, see what we can find. This function will not help you find the flag. All right, so this is the same thing as last time. It's probably safe. We can just skip this for now. There's no need to dig in and figure out the math that's going on here. This is really the meat and potatoes, what we care about here. We see the input command that prompted us to enter the correct password. It's not please subscribe, apparently. So if the user password equals CHR hex 34 concatenated with, that's what the plus sign means, CHR OX65, 63, and 39. What does that mean? CHR. Let's go over here. CHR in Python. This function returns the string representing a character whose Unicode point is the integer supplied as parameter to the function. Okay? For example, CHR of 65 returns the string A, and 126 returns the tilde. Alright, so you pass it in an integer, and it will print out some character. So 84 prints out T, 85 prints out U, and so on and so forth. Cool. So let's decrypt this in Python, right? All we have to do is copy this, open up a Python interpreter, and let's just plop it there. What do we get? 4EC9. Close out of this. Rerun a challenge. And at the prompt, 4EC9. Bada bing, bada boom. We get the flag, picoCTF, trash singing. Interesting.